Tired of paper clutter and eager to simplify your banking life? Today, I'll show you exactly how to grab your Lloyds bank statements online in just a few taps. First, fire up your Lloyds Bank mobile banking app on your smartphone. Enter your user ID and password to log in securely. If you've enabled biometric login, like fingerprint or facial recognition, you can use that instead for even quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account overview here. You'll typically see a summary of all your Lloyds accounts now. Look for the account you need a statement for. Tap on that specific account to proceed. On the account details screen, you'll find a bunch of options. What we need is statements, so scroll through this menu and tap the statements option. It might also be labeled as view statements or something similar. You should now see a list of your available bank statements. They're usually organized by month and year. Simply tap on the statement you want to view. The statement will then open on your screen. From here, you can often download it as a PDF to your device, print it, or even share it directly via email or other apps. Check the top or bottom of the statement for those options, and that's it. You've successfully accessed your Lloyds bank statement online. Remember to keep an eye on your statements regularly for accurate account monitoring and record keeping.